The sun's gone and the lights are on, and we are all set to witness some high-class cricket action. It's a hard pitch. The batsman would have to be wary of the extra bounce on offer here. However, once they settle down, the ball should come nicely onto the bat. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Openers walking in and the crowd cheering in anticipation. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Not a great ball, and that has been hammered. Terrific shot. That's an amazing shot. Beautiful timing. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. That's a beautiful shot. And in the gap too. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. Beauty from the bowler, zips past the edge. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Beautiful shot by the batsman, that's 4 more. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. Four runs, plays into the gap fabulously. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. Delivery almost unplayable. Spinner brought into the attack. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Good shot for a single. That's gone high. Got him. That's a loose shot by the batsman. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. They need more boundaries now to make up for their slow start. Masterful batting. Lovely timing, ball hitting the sweet spot. He's not going to miss out on those. Tremendous hit this. That's a crowd catcher. That's a six. He has hit that exactly where he wanted to. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Found the gap beautifully, and that races away to the boundary again. I know he's a fierce competitor and doesn't shy away from a challenge, but that is just crossing the line, I think. Last ball coming up. In the air. Excellent dive. Superb reflexes. That could well be the catch of the match. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Good shot for a single. Four runs, plays into the gap fabulously. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. Turned away for a single. This is poor fielding. They can't leak out runs like this. Fans would be disappointed. You need to try and make them work really hard for each run. This kind of a fielding effort is really not going to help them. Muscle, a magnificent shot for 4. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. Very good running between the wickets. And the batting power play comes to an end. Well placed into the gap, possible too. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Shot, lovely shot right from the middle of the bat. Well, you can sense something is going to happen here. The bowler not allowing the batsman to free his arms. Good shot for a single. The captain would definitely feel let down by the effort. Fielders are expected to support the bowler. Need to keep things really tight. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Came around quickly to cover the throw. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Huge appeal. But the umpire says not out. The bowler likes that umpire, goes upstairs.
Right, checking for a no ball. Fair delivery, no problem. Impact outside. Reaching outside. Not hitting.
The umpire thinks otherwise. Last ball coming up. Turned away for a single. They put a good all-round performance today. Bowled well to defend their total. They've earned the victory.